It's 2023 and you niggas aren't getting with the program just yet. I'm coming Margiela, by the way. Coming Margiela. It's 2023 and you niggas are simply not getting with the program. I know you see the double cup behind me. I started a new drug. The new drug I started is Actavis. I started a new drug because I wanted to experience the different highs. I was only experiencing one high, and that was the marijuana. I wanted to go. These niggas text me while I'm recording my video. Stop texting me, my nigga. I will shoot you. I hate when a nigga calls me or texts me while I'm trying to record. I'm trying to give my young niggas and my big bros some knowledge, even though I don't know how long this vid gonna be. I just recorded something. I'm just getting up and recording something, but I really want to tell you niggas something that can really help y'all in your life. I make these videos for real to really help the niggas that's not motivated for real. I want to motivate all my niggas to get millions, because all of us can be millionaires. You got to do the shit you don't want to do to be successful. I know it's one thing in the world that you don't want to do. If you do it, it's going to help you out in the long run. I'm going to tell you niggas now, I am a construction worker. Hold up. I'm a construction worker. I have the hard hat, but guess what? I'm making money and you niggas is broke. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a construction worker, but never in my life would I thought I would be a construction worker. But y'all niggas gotta do the shit y'all don't want to do to be successful. I know it's something y'all niggas really don't want to do in the world, and y'all niggas are too stubborn to do it. But if you do it, bro, it's gonna help you out in the long run. I want to tell you niggas now, I became a construction worker, and as I was in the construction shit, I just networked with this nigga, and he said he was gonna have me on the runway, bro. Y'all niggas gotta do the shit y'all don't want to do. It will help y'all niggas in the long run. I'm trying to tell y'all niggas. Look at me. Nigga, I have to fix houses, bro, but I get money. I'm probably gonna end this vid. I might do some editing on this vid, or I might just keep it. I might do a little bit editing. This vid gonna be a short vid because this was just some random shit I just thought of today. And I just want to talk to y'all boys, you know. But it's the end of the vid. I want you niggas to get some money. I want you niggas to be successful, bro. Because we all can get it. You feel me? So, I'm gonna get with y'all niggas in the next vid. I love y'all niggas, man. Y'all niggas is my twins for real. I love you.